Good morning, guys. In the last Bitcoin video I did, I was showing you guys how our metric smart money was going short. Guys, the drop happened. We predicted down to $17,000. This was just a couple days ago, and now we're sitting at $16,961, right around that 17,000. Let me show you guys, based off those metrics, where I think we're gonna go now. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We definitely got the drop. We're just going to dive in here. Everything I'm about to show you guys and release to you, you can access every morning with a membership over at tradeconfident.io. Come over to the crypto metrics tab, scroll down. You can do this on all of our coins, but we're going to go over Bitcoin specifically this morning. Okay, this was updated yesterday. All these metrics will update this morning in about 35 minutes. Yesterday, we saw that the emotional sentiment of the overall market was excited. Do you guys know what I keep trying to show you guys on this chart? It's when emotions are excited and they are greedy. This is where you need to watch for market moves back down. The reason for this, let me explain this to you guys. The reason for this is when you start seeing the market go up and people think, oh, we're finally going to blast off to the moon. You guys are buying into the market here, and you're providing liquidity for big institutions to sell their positions, okay? When emotions are in the excited area, you really need to be looking for some moves back down in the market, not back up, okay? Use this to watch that. Long versus short trades on Bitfinex, we still see long trades are elevated. So, what I'm watching for over here, if you guys are wondering this, I'm really watching for long trades to potentially drop out here. That's going to be kind of scary for a lot of people. But if we do see long trades drop out, it's probably going to be a bigger capitulation stage where people are giving up and they're just selling long trades. We really need to watch that. If that happens, it'll be a little nerve-wracking, because when people start selling their long trades while we're going up, or during consolidation periods, that's when we're looking for these crashes in the market. Come down here and take a look at this. This metric right here, when I came out with that intro I did for the Bitcoin video, this was the second strongest reading we had since July. The last one was October 20th, where we saw short sentiment come out in the market for smart money. After that previous time, we saw a little bit of a move up and a huge crash in the market. So when we saw this, and I called this out on that video that I showed you guys, we called out $17,000 due to mainly this right here. We saw the short sentiment enter back in. Now this morning, what we're seeing is this is pushing back up here, but we are still in this area where short sentiment is still more prevalent. Now, when we start seeing this bar start shifting back up to the top side here, and we look for long sentiment, this is most likely where you're going to see the trend stall to the downside, and you're going to start seeing either a consolidation period, or we're going to actually see a turnaround back in the market, something maybe like this, where the price shoots back up. Okay, I'm teaching this to you guys so you know how to read this. We're not going to come out with videos in the next 2 days. We take the weekend off. So watch these metrics to help you guys exit and enter positions. Now look at this. The Bitcoin breakout detector showed us, yes, we were due for an impulse move because green line was below the white dotted line. This is impulse territory down here. We got the impulse move back up. What is happening now is these green lines are forming higher, and the higher they get into the consolidation area, this is where I'm expecting the market to actually slow down and start going sideways, either into a consolidation period or actually start to reverse the opposite way. Let me show you this down here. Because we see smart money not fully shifting back, let me come here, not fully shifting back over to long sentiment, what I'm expecting is this sell-off to potentially continue. We need to understand this, not to scare anybody, but it is very obvious if you're looking at these metrics. 15,479, I'm going to round this up to quarters theory level, 15,500 is the next support line for Bitcoin, and you need to be prepared for a $15,500 move back down. With that said, where is the next best entry? I want to show that to you guys because that's a great time to get money back in. Look at these trade scanner over here. When we get another buy signal over here, on the top and bottom finder, it's going to present us with the setup over here, and you guys can go for that 4% take profit, okay? Let me show you guys something real quick, and I want to go over the analysis of the indicators. Every morning, Monday through Friday, you guys get this, and you need to be watching this. This is going to give you guys the top performing coin, the worst performing coin, the biggest news for that day, and we're going to give you guys breakout detector, and we're also going to show you guys the signals that are present on all the 20 coins. If you guys saw the signal yesterday for Ethereum that we came out with, let me show you that real quick. You guys were able to see the signal, and we are dropping on Ethereum ever since that signal came out. We can see this right here. We've been dropping. Okay? I want to show you guys, everybody with a membership, we are giving you guys insight into all of this. You're not having to check the charts. We're giving it to you every morning. Okay, wanted to show that to you guys. Now, let's come back over here because we were predicting on this channel, and to show you guys how we did this, not to say, oh, look at us, we did this. Let me teach you. When we see price action going from a high to another higher high and well money flow is moving down here, this is what's called divergence, and the market usually drops back down. What happened right here is retail traders got abandoned to the upside because, listen, the emotional index we just watched, it said what? People were excited. What did we see smart money doing? Smart money was actually coming out. Let's go back over here, and they were taking out short sentiment. Do you guys see why I use these metrics every morning? Most people are going to trade with this up here. You need to get back down here and look at this. This is going to be shifting the market. It's smart money. And so when we saw this, we got the drop back down on the market. Now looking at well money flow and trend exhaustion, I'll leave a pop-up for you guys. Definitely get these on your charts. The next best entry everyone needs to look for, undisputedly, is a buy signal on the top and bottom finder on the daily or the 4-hour. We need well money flow low around the 30 metric value, and we need trend exhaustion simply in the bottom red section. I want you guys just to be looking for this and pairing this up right here. We have done this time and time again, won over 130 trades. We won 126 trades in a row on this YouTube channel, and this is the setup we use to get back in the market. I need to show you the indicators, and I need to show you one more thing that's super crucial, and it's on the S&P 500. Real fast, get these indicators and set them up, guys. The bundle pack is 82% off. Just snag it today. You're going to get the source codes, price for swell money flow, trend exhaustion, and 7 other indicators. You are then, if you purchase the bundle pack, we're going to give you a $400 coupon code, 53% off the top and bottom finder. You guys can access that right here. All links are in the description, and it's pinned to the first comment, okay? Set yourself up for success. We are calling these markets, and I'm trying to show this to you guys on YouTube. Like, you guys, we're showing you this, how this works, and it's working really well. Okay, you need to understand this. I came out and I called this out to our members yesterday. We are at one of the strongest support levels probably of the year in the SPY. This is what we saw yesterday. We had a double top formation here. We had a bottom, we had the top, basically we call support, resistance. We have resistance, we have support. Here's the deal, guys. When you have this many confirmations on a support, this most likely goes down. And I'm not just saying that. I called this out to our guys last night when we did a live coaching call with everyone. I said, most likely, I believe this is going to go to the downside. That's what we got. I do believe the SPY, the next strongest support you guys need to be watching for, it's down here at 371. So let me come back here and do a horizontal line. We potentially could see a drop in the SPY about another 3.59%, roughly 3.6%. That move back down to that support, I believe, is going to pretty much easily, guys, push Bitcoin back down to 16,000. Okay, 16,000 is not out of the picture at all. So a move back down here, as we have been calling on this channel since we said in the second week of December, most likely big money is going to look to take some profits because they're going to be looking to take some capital losses and tax harvesting on all the losses they've taken in crypto. And so we had what we kind of call our Santa rally, and I believe we're probably going to see this continue a little bit further into this next week, into the last 2 weeks of December. And so do not be surprised. The first target I'm looking for, guys, I would not doubt if we drop another $1,000 down to 16,000 because the strongest level of support is at 15,500. Watch for the top and bottom finder to give you a buy signal, and watch all of these metrics on our website, guys. We dropped our membership price to $59 a month. You have the power to watch this. We called it. Like, not us, like the metrics called. I'm trying to get you guys excited about this. So like, this stuff actually really does work. And when you come out and you're here and you look at these indicators and the testimonials of people making thousands of dollars with this, we are trying to give you guys an edge, and the edge is pretty nice. It is calling the tops and the bottoms, and I think you guys are going to like that. I'll end that there. I don't want to turn this into a big sales video, but get the top and bottom finder, the price of swell money flow, trend exhaustion, and then definitely the membership, and we will be calling this out to you guys and give you guys more insight into the crypto market. God bless you guys. Don't be surprised if we go down here, on a Bitcoin another $1,000, and I would not doubt if we try to target about 15,500 by the end of the year. We'll talk to you guys later. God bless you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.